Despite the fact that the official Samsung Galaxy S23 series launch is still a week away, practically every information about the full range has been leaked. Samsung is presently experiencing the worst leaks in ages, with the unannounced Galaxy S23 Ultra being sold, unboxed, camera tested, and much more. And speaking of cameras, we now have photographs as well as the first ever video recording in 4K and 8K. Today I'd like to share some fantastic news with you all regarding the brand new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. The phone was officially unboxed and shown in person yesterday, and now we're getting a sneak peek at the camera performance, thanks to some leaked samples. From what we can say, the Galaxy S23 Ultra is impressing us with its night photography and improved zoom capabilities, though it's difficult to fully judge the quality of the photos without comparing them to other flagship phones or even last year's Galaxy S22 Ultra. The leak samples continue to impress, with shots in low-light circumstances demonstrating how well the Galaxy S23 Ultra performs. It's unknown if the brighter shot was taken in night mode or astrophoto mode, but it's most likely night mode. Additionally, zoom shots taken on the S23 Ultra have leaked. The 4 images were allegedly obtained at 1x, 3x, 10x, and 30x zoom levels. The 1x, 3x, and 10x shots all look great because to the dedicated lenses and the lack of digital zoom. Even the 30x shot seems to be of high quality, with leaker Ice Universe claiming that it is on par with the 20x zoom shot from the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Overall, it's evident that Samsung worked hard to improve the camera performance on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Returning to the unboxings, we have the Galaxy S23 Ultra in purple and pink. When it comes to real-life appearance, the phone and the SIM rejector tool, as well as certain papers and the USB-C cord, are not as reddish as the representations. This is the new green hue, which is a little lighter than last year's model and appears a little gray. People are still raving about the new box design, and to be honest, I think they could have done a better job by making the phone a little larger. I'm excited to see what else the Galaxy S23 Ultra has in store for us when it launches on February 1st. So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.